Hello, those guys who are using, of course, VSDC. You're most welcome into this tutorial where I will be, showing for you how to, you know, basically start using VSDC for your video editing, and it is gonna be interesting because you will turn a very simple video into a very complex and nice movie, state kind of video. So let's keep on with it. And now, when we're here, we'll have to start with a blank project. Oh, I hope you're seeing where my cursor is. You should see it, and so either we click on blank project or we go up to the top right corner where the cursor is blinking and we create new project. So we can create using any one of these. If we click and we say, if we click on new, where inside here they say new and here they're saying blank project, it is the same as when you are up there. So they pop up, buttons have opened for us, and from here we have to change the title of the project, and changing the title of the project is very important. Okay, in this case the project is nothing else but, of course, the video you're producing, and it's important to name it according to what it really is, because sometimes you will be running over 100 projects at this, like simultaneously. Do this a little, the other one a little, the other one a little, and so it is very important for you to name this project according to the real title of the video or the movie that you're producing. So I'm going to name mine Amada. Amada is a tomb in Egypt, but also in my local language, Amada means we okay, we are good, we are fine. All these means the same. So this is going to be the title of my project. uh, so I want to produce a movie which will have the title a mother. That means we are okay, we are fine, we are good. And you can change the author who wrote it, and of course the copyright owner, the configuration, the resolution. This resolution of 1280 by 270 is very good, especially for computers, and it is a high definition, of course, but there are even ultra high definitions of up to 4K, which is this one here that is highlighted in blue. But I think I am going to use this, whose ratio is okay, or can even go to full. Okay, let me select full, but yeah, full HD, which is 1920 times 1080 pixels, and the ratio of what it produces is still 16:9. 16 is to 9. Now in this case the quality of the movie is going to be very high. Okay, it's gonna be very high, and if the quality of the movie is very high or the video is very high, it means that it's okay. The memory that it occupies is also very big, very large. So you select according to what you really want. Me, I like this high, and the frame rate, I like 50, but you can even select a much more higher one depending on what you want. The background, I leave it to black, or I can even change it depending on what I like. Maybe sky blue, light turquoise, light green, light yellow. I don't know which one is better. I don't know which one is better. Okay, let me go with Tom. And after selecting this, I go to the publisher. Who is going to publish this movie? Who is going to publish this video? I have tried to put a publisher as Axiomatic Children. This is a nickname that I personally use myself, so I put like that. And maybe what is the movie talking about? Videos are there. and these others can remain like this. The width, the height, the width and the height in terms of pixels are what you selected from your resolution from here. They are here, and so if you select them, they come here, but still you can change. But the moment you change, you are customizing. That's why the moment I raised the number of pixels by 1, it has changed the resolution, which is on this side here, to custom. So I am making it in my own way, but I don't want to change it. Let it be full HD 920 times 1080 pixels, which is in the ratio which will produce a screen display of 16:9. That is of course this and this, and then the opacity is 20%. You can raise it. If you want, yours can be solid depending on what you want. I make mine at 50, and the frequency is okay. The channel should remain stereo. It's good. Then the frequency 4400 Hz is quite good, but if you want a higher one, you can go with it. But I like leaving most of the things by default. Then I change. I select. Now it has created for us a scene. Actually, what we are creating was a scene that we have now created, and in this scene that we have created, then we can add the video, we can add the audios, then we can do some editings on them. After all those, after doing all those, then we can produce the movie. I mean, we can export the movie. Exporting the movie in this case, of course, if we are to export, we shall have to come to this button. But as for now, we have just added the scene and we didn't add anything onto it. Since we have not added anything onto it, if we produce it, like if you see the time range here, let me play and you see. It's just like nothing is happening because we didn't add any video, we didn't add any text, we didn't add any photograph, we didn't add anything. But it has automatically by default selected the time to be 10 seconds, or so we'll come and do it. But let's go back to the edit. When we are at edit, this part here, if I want to add a video, I add the video from here. I hope you can see. This is from where I add the video. So if I'm adding, where after putting the cursor on that button, instead it is giving me a pop-up message that create a video object and add it to editor. So if I click on it, then it will open for me this of course and where I can select the video that I want to add. I have some videos here that I can use to show for you what I want to do. Some small video clip of mine where we are some drinking joint with some friends of mine. So if I say open, then it will pick that video, and it will ask for me some few questions, but I would like to leave it on default unless you can change these other things, but of course to know why they should be changed and so on, there are reasons for you to do those. But as of now, let's leave it default and we just say okay, and then it adds the video. And the video that it adds is called a layer, and so the layer, it is a layer 1 here. Now this first layer, if you look at my video, the video is upside down. See that? If I play for you, uh, if I play for you the preview, let me play. You'll see that the video is upside down. The video is upside down, but you can change that. Of course, you can change it. When you want to change it so that it is upright, you come here. You put the cursor. When the cursor is pointing just like the way you are seeing there, I don't know whether you are seeing, this is my cursor, I'm taking it to a position to which I can rotate the video, so that it is upright. It is upright, yes. So I can rotate it, and when it is perfectly rotated, now if I play it, it is okay. It is now upright. Okay, it's not upside down. See that? So that is it. Although I didn't plan to show that, but it's good that I have shown it for you. So this is I've just added it. Maybe sometimes I can, if this the noise, the video that, I mean, I can even add some more voice onto this. If I want to add the voice onto this, because this one already has its sound, it has its audio already, but I can decide to add another audio. Maybe if I want to make fun from here, uh, it's just a matter of again coming to, you see, we added the video from here. Now I can add sound from there. If I click on that button where it is trying to display here, like that, then it again opens for me area where I can add some audios. But I don't know, let me check where I can add some simple audio. But audio. Okay, let me just add one music, and that will be what you will see. Just music, okay? Just music, just music, just music. Not decent. I like something different, although I'm just gonna show for you, but I should do so. Something nice, okay? That does not have. Where? Boom, let me go to from fonts. Are there any audios? I'm not seeing audios here. Okay. This PC has a lot of things from which I can select, so I don't have to mind so much. Okay, let me go this way, and I select Bakonza. I just like an audio. Okay, let me select one of these songs. Okay, then I open it up. This one. Oh, it will also be added. I also just say okay when that displays. I can change things around depending on what I want, but I want it to be just like this as now. And this is of course the second layer, but I don't like this position. So you see, I can drag and drop to change the position of this. What I know is my video is around here. My video was here. It is this one here now. So it is just here, very small. The audio is very big. Okay, here is my video. The video is very small. So now if I want to, I can solve for you. The audio is playing. The video is very small here. Okay, let me undo what I just did, like that, and bring the cursor here. Bringing the cursor here. Okay, let me add it as a different layer, not the same layer. Then I play. See, now what it is showing is the video is very short, the video is very small, but the audio is very long. The audio plays up to here. So you can add many That means if I want to create a movie, actually, I can just again stop this. After stopping that, and then I go and add another video. If I add another video, where can I get videos? It's from entertainment and from entertainment. I know that I had some videos in photos. Where are you? Photos. Good, here. Then from here, I got some videos just down there. Good. Let me put which video. Okay, this one, Christmas time. Then it will open up this dialog box, and from which I just say okay. Then it loads it there. You see more videos loaded, but this one is also upside down. I got to turn it again up, right, upright. Good. Then I can again start to play. You will find that the movies or the videos will join automatically. Let me play it actually on as if I am exporting, and then I play full screen. So then I play. Good. See that? Then the movie will be joined. They're going together now. It's like now a movie from one scene to another. And the audio that I put down there is playing now as if maybe the video, the music was playing just here. Then by the yet it was just going. I got the movie, the movie from a different place, the audio from another different place. So again I escape. Let's see now. And then okay. Let me go back to edit. And go back to edit. Yes, I am at edit. So I can add other things if I want. What do you think can we add? I can even reduce this to something, the audio. Have you seen what I'm doing? I'm reducing the audio. I want to reduce the audio so that it plays and stops at the same time with the audio, the video. Then let me. Okay, that's okay. Then I play. Oh, it's chopping. My interest is not so much far there. My interest is that we have joined the two scenes, videos captured from different places together. Sure. And the movie continues. And even if you like, actually you can. If you like, you can. Okay, I'll show for you that in another video. But otherwise, from here now, if you want to produce this video, if you want to have what you have just edited here available so that people can use it, my friend, you go to export. Okay, you're going to export, then you select from here where my cursor is. When you put the cursor there, you can see, do you want this video for the purpose of being used on a PC, or you're going to upload it on a website, or is it going to be played on iPhone or iPad? Is it on Android phones? Is it on DVD, mobile, PSP, up to PPC? You select the appropriate one. Maybe for me, I think, let me put it on Android. Then you will realize that the moment you have selected the device onto which this video that you have just made is going to be played, Then it will again select the format in which they will be played. Mostly Androids use the MP4 videos. So the videos that normally play on Android phones and so on MP4 format. Then from there you say export project. Boom, you click. Then now you see I'm using the free version of course VSDC. But so if you want to purchase the Pro version which has more features, some of which this where I am cannot do, then you can click on this button so that you upgrade. That means you purchase license and then you activate the Pro version. But if you don't want to purchase, or if you still don't have cash, just like the way I've not yet decided to, then you gotta click on continue so that it exports it directly. And for you can see how fast the exportation is occurring. Now exportation means you are moving this video to the usable form that you can distribute. You can see from here it is being converted. Now 3% is already available, 4%, 4%, and so on and so on and so on. And my friends, that is it. Should I show for you first of all how it gets done? Okay, that is good. So let the movie continue to be let the movie continue to be exported here. Yeah, now you can see that it has reached up to 40%, and let me continue up to 100. And I want to solve for you one thing before I quit this video, this tutorial. Yeah, so that is it, and you saw it, and this is where I want to stop with this tutorial. We'll meet again later.